soundless. It crosses a line, quiets into a seed, and then whatever makes the seed, almost like gone but not gone. The air kept its shape, not antimatter, not the memory of matter or of it mattering. It doesn't cross my mind now that it whispers so soft it's almost silence, but it's not. Someone dragged my screaming heart into the forest. So deep into the woods, my heart sounds like the trees now. Gone enough. Almost never here, daily swallowed within a certain window, a pale green trail on the tongue. My scarlet brand of a heart. Ritual and proof. Surely science and magic have the same face, don't they? My mother praised her God for this, and surely it is his face too. My mother, her God, his heart, his face. Regimen, you are my miracle, this swallowing my muscular cult. I'm not faithful to much. I'm less a genius of words than I let on, but that pill, emerald green dialect singing the malady away. Not away, far enough for now. I am the most important species in my body, but one dead heart of loneliness, and it makes the whole forest a grave.